So I'm going to do the same kind of thing to start with. I'm going to set up my sine, cosine, tangent of theta, theta, theta. I have cosecant theta, secant theta, cotangent theta, and they've very kindly given me cotangent theta is -2, which, I mean, I can immediately take that and say, oh, well, that means tangent theta is going to be -1/2. They're just reciprocals of one another, right? And they have the same positive or negative sign. I draw my little circle, my xy axis, and it's telling me that my angle theta is between 3 pi over 2 and 2 pi. So if this is 0, pi over 2, pi, 3 pi over 2, they're telling me, hey, Glenn, your angle is in quadrant 4. It's between 3 pi over 2 and 2 pi. It's right in here someplace. Everybody good with that? So I know that the functions, the trigonometric functions that are positive in this is cosine. That's the only one that's positive in that quadrant. So cosine is going to be positive. That means sine theta is negative and cosecant theta is negative. So now in my six-pack, I have all my positive and negative signs. They're done. I don't even need to worry about them anymore. So from the fact that cotangent is -2, I got the tangent is 1/2. So tangent is, so here's my angle theta. Tangent is opposite over adjacent, right? So tangent is 1/2. Does this look like 1/2? No. Do I care? I don't care, because I know it's still going to be the Pythagorean theorem. Right? I still need to find my hypotenuse. I don't know what my hypotenuse is. I know, now, I might be thinking, oh, well, sine is 1. That's a legitimate value. Cosine is 2. Oh, no. Can't have a 2 for cosine. The maximum value of cosine, just like sine, is 1. And the minimum value for cosine is -1. Right? That's the range of cosine. Can never be any different. Ever, 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 under any circumstances. Okay? So, Pythagorean theorem. 1 squared plus 2 squared equals c squared. That's 1 plus 4 equals c squared. C squared equals 5. C equals radical 5. So that is my hypotenuse, is radical 5. So sine is negative. Well, see, sine is opposite over hypotenuse. My opposite is 1 over hypotenuse is -1 over radical 5. And cosine is +2 over radical 5. And that means cosecant is going to be the reciprocal of that. Right? So cosecant is going to be negative radical 5. And secant is going to be positive radical 5 over 2. And the only thing that's left to do is to take these two values right here and rationalize them. Get the radical sign out of the denominator. I don't think anybody messed that up. I think everybody did fine with that. But just to do it really quickly, if I have 1 over radical 5, I multiply by radical 5 over radical 5, and I get radical 5 over 5. And if I had 2 over radical 5, I will multiply by radical 5 over radical 5, and amazingly enough, I get 2 radical 5 over 5. So those would be the actual values that I would want here, would be negative radical 5 over 5, negative radical 5 over 5, and positive 2 radical 5 over 5. Pretty good? We okay with this? Yeah, I'm going to count on you guys to